Good evening, traders. I want to hop on here, kind of do a little update video for the pair I'm trading. I did a weekly analysis this weekend, and I was interested in trading USD CHF. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the candle. Today is Monday night or Tuesday morning. It is just after midnight here in Texas. I want to take you back to what I was looking at on the analysis here. Those of you who know how I trade, you know I like to trade. I like for my trades to begin at order blocks, preferably weekly order blocks since we're starting off a fresh week. The thing about weekly order blocks are, you can trade that direction, for the next several weeks, maybe even the next several months, depending on how strong the trend is. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit so we can see the on this weekly chart, the market, came from this level, got a weekly bullish order block, market shot all the way up. Now it looks like it's coming back down to this area of demand, and looks like it will probably, I can guess or surmise that it might push to the top. We're not there yet, but what I do see is I see price came down to the 200 period moving average. For those of you who are familiar with the Oliver Velez strategy, we have our moving averages on top of each other, and then price breaks one direction or the other, you may catch you a significant move. I do believe that this move, if it goes down to that area, I'm anticipating that we could catch 100 and let's call it 200 pips, 185, 200, somewhere around there, which would be excellent. I would like to see this move happen this week, the entire 200 pip move, and that may be a possibility. But the way I like to trade these scenarios, right, is coming into the week. I believe we'll get the retracement. We'll get the buy up. This is a retracement off of this weekly candle. You can think of it a different way as well. You can think of this as price going back up to retest this level that it broke, right? You see the red candle, the bearish candle, this bearish engulfing candle broke the low, which is another way of breaking structure. If I went down to the 4-hour chart, there would be a bunch of candles in here, and you would clearly see a break of structure, several candles pushing down. So what I would like to see to start off the week is a retracement, right? Back to the area that we broke. Then I would like to see the price push down. Very normal. We expect to see this on the 4-hour, the 1-hour, whatever level we're trading. It's just we're trying to expand our range a little bit. So we're going to go to the weekly. This works well for me. I prefer to swing trade. I would like to be able to enter a position and hold that position, a few days or maybe the entire week. So with this trade, what I anticipated for Sunday night's move when the market opened, I anticipated this trade to buy up. And go ahead and hit the play button just to show you we did get the buy up. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here just so I can call your attention to something here. So I want you to notice that we bought up, and if the trade pushes down from this point, it leaves no imbalance on this weekly candle, because here's the wick for the previous week's candle. So technically, this is a solid retracement, and this pair is ready to be sold. Okay. I am still in for the buy because I'm not going to enter the sale until I get rejection and I start pushing down. So what I'd like to do is drop down to the daily so we can look at it. On this daily chart, you can see there's still an imbalance. The daily chart, we really need to push up to this level here. I'm going to go ahead and put a line here. It's what we call refining our POI, or point of interest. So I would really like to see this pair buy up past the 0.9510. If I would drop down to the 4 hour, which I rarely do, we can see the imbalance gets a little higher, and we can continue this um, until we're happy with the range we're getting. Okay, I do believe that we're going to push a little higher. We got the 4 hour. We broke these highs here. We showed rejection from the sell side. We're getting a little bullish momentum. We're right. We're entering London session, so maybe we'll push up a little bit during London session, and then in the morning, the New York session, maybe we can get a nice run up here to these highs. Now, I'm going to squeeze the chart since we are on the 4 hour. This is the level that we broke, right? Again, I told you that there is no imbalance because this price is at this level. But we would like for it to push up to this level. This would be a better retracement, and we can get a nice sell down. So if it does push up to this POI, my sell down is a 205 pip sell down. And it could be 225, 230 because it might push down into this this demand zone a little bit further. But that's just a nice 200 pip move, okay? There is some U.S. news coming out on Wednesday, so we will be mindful of that. But hopefully we'll already be in the trade and well in the profit before that news comes up. But I'm just showing you what's on my mind as I wait for my setup. Okay, many of you may have already taken trades or several trades. If you don't trade um, from a swing perspective or from a long range perspective, several of these trades were set up this weekend. I chose this one, so I feel like I can kind of patiently wait on it, even while I ride this buy up as far as possible. I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe we'll see where we wake up in the morning. I'll leave this line on the charts and we'll take it from there. All right. Happy trading. Hope you guys are winning. Remember to manage your risk and to always do your own analysis. Very important, guys. Till next time.